Have you ever wondered why there isn't a simpler way to pay rent, something more forgiving, especially when bills pile up at once? Well, Flex might be the answer you've been looking for. This app steps in to split your rent into smaller chunks, making it easier to handle month to month payments, especially if you're juggling irregular income or other big expenses. So let's break everything down. First, the question is, what is Flex? So Flex is designed to make rent payments more manageable by offering two main services: split rent in two and credit boosting. Split rent in two is that instead of paying your full rent upfront, you pay half at the beginning of the month. Flex pays your landlord the full amount on time, and you pay the second half later in the month. Credit boosting, it reports your rent payments to TransUnion, helping you grow your credit score using something you're already paying for. And it's kind of like having a built in buffer for your rent each month without the sky high interest rates of payday loans. So, why Flex could be a game changer? For most people, rent is the single largest monthly expense. So, when money is tight, like during job gasps or surprise bills, Flex can relieve that financial pressure. Let's say your rent is $1,500. Normally, you'd owe the full amount on the first. With Flex, you might only need to pay $750 upfront and the remaining $750 later in the month. It's essentially a mini cash advance on your rent, but without the predatory rates. And with the credit builder, your on time rent payments become a tool to help increase your credit score. That's a smart move, especially since most landlords don't report rent activity to credit bureaus. Flex also uses a secured line of credit which can touch several areas of your credit report, helping build a well rounded credit profile over time. So, Flex shines for renters who need more control over their cash flow or who want to build credit without taking on new debt. But you'll need to weigh that convenience against that recurring fees. If you're disciplined with repayments and the app supports your building, Flex could be a powerful tool to help you stay on the top of your finances and gradually improve your credit standing. So if you ever find yourself scrambling to make rent or if you're trying to grow your credit score without applying for credit cards, Flex is worth exploring. So that's the end of today's guide. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.